Hi, hello, welcome to mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 4.4 from simple equations 7th class ncert. Question number 1. Set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. Here we have a statements here. We have to convert it into a equations and we have to find the unknown variable answer also. So let's start with the question. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. So here we have both LHS and RHS with a variable also. See here, read the question again and again, then you will get a better understanding. If I take 3/4 of a number, so let number answer, let's assume number as x. Okay, I take 3/4 of a number. So 3/4 of a number, it means 3/4 of x, and add 3 to it. So add 3. So we get a expression 3/4x plus 3, and I get 21. So I get 21. It means 3/4 is plus x plus 3 is equal to 21. So this is the equation we get from this statement. Now we have to solve the equation. So see here, 3/4x plus 3 is equal to 21. So transpose first 3. So transpose 3 to RHS. So then 3/4x equal to 21 minus 3. It gets changes in sign. So 3/4x equal to 21 minus 3, we get a 18. So here again apply transpose. Here transpose 4 to RHS. Here 4 dividing with the variables, it gets multiplied here. So 3x equal to 18 into 4. So again here answer 3x equal to 72. Now again apply transpose here. Transpose 3 to RHS side. So here 3 is multiplying with a variable, then it gets divided with a constant on RHS side. So 72 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So x equal to 24 is the answer for this given equation. Similarly, apply the statement to get an equation, and then we have to transpose the values. So let's start here. So let's start answer. Ibenhal thinks of a number. So Ibenhal thinks of a number if she adds 19 to it. So Ibenhal thinks of a number. Let it be y. Okay, she adds 19 to it. Adds 19 to it. So it gets y plus 19 and divides the sum by 5. So divides sum by 5. So it means y plus 19 by 5. Okay, now she will get 8. So she will get 8. So that implies to y plus 19 by 5 is equal to 8. This is the equation from the given statement. Now we have to solve this equation. So given y plus 19 by 5 is equal to 8. So first of all apply transpose from 5. So transpose 5 to RHS. So y plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5. Because of it divides here, it gets multiplied on another side. So y plus 19 is equal to 8 5s are 40. Again apply transpose with a 19. So transpose 19 to RHS. So y is equal to 40 minus 19. So y is equal to 40 minus 19. It gets 21. So this is the answer. I hope you understand this. If you given any statement, then you have to convert it into an equation. Then you have to apply the transpose for every number to find the variable value. So apply all transposes, then we will get a variable value here also. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts regarding this session, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.